21st June 2023, Summer Solstice. People are going to celebrate it all around the world in different ways. So what is going to happen on 21st June 2023? Summer solstice is the day when that hemisphere, we know that Earth has two hemispheres, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, and there are 2 days in a year when one hemisphere gets closest to the sun, and there's one day when the other hemisphere gets closest to the sun. So how does this happen? We know that Earth rotates around its axis, right? And the axis of Earth is not perpendicular to its orbit. It's not exactly perpendicular. It's tilted at 23.5 degree approximately. So this tilt causes the faces of sun to face sun for different duration of day at different period of the year, and at 21st June, northern hemisphere of Earth will be facing maximum sunlight in the whole year, and that day is celebrated to be summer solstice for northern hemisphere, while on 22nd December 2023 the southern hemisphere is going to experience the maximum amount of sunlight in the whole year. So I'm going to celebrate summer solstice in a very different way. Please do comment how you are going to celebrate it. Thank you so much.